Good with you. It's All Around TV, Hustle Vision. We doing the 2011 first quarter interviews with the boy Yella Boy.
What it do, world? It's your boy Yella hollering at you at All Around TV, Hustle Vision. Giving a heads up to all my fans and haters about the movement Yella got going on in the first quarter and in the new year. You know what I mean? I'm promoting that over 24/7 block to block hustling at stores nearby you, grinding that, still standing in that YTD, you know what I mean, in different local areas like Temple, Belton, Marlin, Martin, the list go on, you know what I mean. I see a change in this rap game, man, so I'm gonna paint that picture, you know what I mean. So if you're fucking with your boy, man, you're on the right side of the fence, man. But if you ain't, man, you best to move out the way, because you will get rolled over, man. I'm on a race for success, and I'm moving all you fakers out the way, man. So, you know what I mean? Keep it pimping out there, man. And stay tuned in with your boy. I got something for you, man. Something you can lean on, for real.
What's up? How can we get in touch with you?
You know what I mean? Hit me up at 254-265-0546. Anytime, man. I'm with it, you know what I mean? The price right, man. I'm gonna make that move, man. You know a nigga real out here, man. Fuck with me.
That's a bet. Appreciate it, yo.
Yeah.
North side, east side, west side, south side, on the rise.